You got something for me?
You got to buy nothing. Spray that in your car one time. Just cut the fuel. Just spray it one time. Spray it. There it is.
Smell good, but I got something for you too, brother.
Huh?
Let me show you something. This one smells so good too. Do you want it? No, don't step back.
You make that?
Don't step back, nah. It's real good. Smell that motherfucker.
I don't like that.
Why don't you like it? Smell it.
No, I don't like that.
You don't like that?
No.
It smells good, bro.
I don't want to smell it no more. There you go. You take that on with you. You take that with you.
It smells good, bro.
Nah. I'm good. You get rid of that. You need to buy some of these.
No, I'm selling this.
Good luck.
Bro, you don't want it?
Huh?
You don't want it?
No, sir. Not in my car.